All right, folks, welcome back. So today we're doing a case. Well, I'm breaking it down into 6 videos, but it will be a full case, sealed. So today I got to do my second pre-release, and we were able to buy some boxes. I bought 7, a loose one, and a completely sealed case. A little bit expensive, still under market value, but not MSRP, so kind of a bummer in a sense, but you know, yesterday I got a box for MSRP, which was nice. I do have another case coming from the store I actually play at. They actually got me a case for 100 a box because he's an amazing person, and even though he knows market price is higher, he doesn't try to gouge right away. I mean, sure, if he's low supply and, you know, high demand stuff, he's gonna do like everyone else and just kind of sell market. But at the beginning, he tries not to. And I do appreciate people who do that. You know, profit is profit. I know stores do have small margins, but, you know, you want to keep your customers coming back. And sometimes when you have to overpay for stuff because the company aren't printing enough, you know, it's kind of a bummer for us, and we choose not to buy as much as we normally would, or we stop playing because of it, which I've contemplated it. I'm gonna give it a little bit, but if FFG or Asmodee can't get their stuff together, I'm probably gonna be done with this game, as much as I love it. I don't like having to deal with short supply stuff and overpaying and whatnot, you know. It's just, it shouldn't be that way. At least not at the beginning, you know. But let's get into this. I'll try not to talk too much. There's not much interesting coming out of my mouth. But we just want to see these cards. Actually, I should kind of go slower. And since these are newer cards, you know, a lot of the stuff has been feeding on later, you know. And isn't that the same as the other one? Or is the other one 4? No, the same. All right. So hoping for a showcase in this case, but we'll see. I'll kind of slow roll a few of these, and then I'll get annoyed and we'll get right to it. Pretty cool. Yeah, I got this, and it's really good. This is good too. And there's another one that's 2-4 with raid 2. It's all good. Oh yes. If you saw my last video, or I don't know when I posted it, but I pulled one of these in one of my pre-release kits, which was nice. Ooh, nice. Hyperspace full rare. I'll take it. I've mainly only been getting the common ones, but this is my second mall. I know he's pretty rare to pull as a rare. Kind of like K2SO, short printed in a sense, you know. So making a mess over here. So it's kind of funny, I used this on myself today because I was playing Kylo Ren. So on turn 3, so 4 resources, when I was bringing them out, I had this card in hand and 2 other cards. So I played this, chose myself, and made myself discard 2 cards. So then when I brought out Kylo, he was a full-fledged 5/4. I don't think it was the right choice, but it was fun nonetheless. And, you know, he's hitting for 5 on turn 3. Like, that's pretty sick if you can. But it's just better and constructed, obviously, where you have stuff that will work out of your discard pile. Nice. Rare foil. All right. Maybe a few more. I'm already getting sick of slow rolling. Hey, it's the Gamorrean Guards. This thing, Cargo Juggernaut. They did reprint quite a bit of cards. I thought it was only Surprise Strike, because I thought one of the videos, I mean, I know that the pre-release or the pre-cons had reprints, but I thought the actual set was only Surprise Strike that was pre-printed. But definitely not. There's a lot of reprints, like Cargo Juggernaut. No legendaries yet, but that's fine. So far, been good on getting legendaries. Hopefully, I don't jinx myself, but both my first boxes have had 5 legendaries. First one was 3 regular and then 2 bonus slot legendaries. And then second one was 4 regular legendaries and a bonus slot legendary. Jango Fett. I think this is the first time I've seen this card. Alright, while attacking a unit with bounty, this gets +3 and gains overwhelm. Nice. When this unit attacks and defeats a unit, draw. Well, yeah. And then Fennec. Not bad. Not bad. Hyperspace fall back there. Hopefully legendary. But probably a common. Just fine. Another hyperspace. Take it. Evacuate. Play set now. I've pulled 2. Ooh, that's sexy. Oh yeah, it's an uncommon, but it's still a sexy card. I love that art. It's a pretty badass unit. Oh, that's pretty cool. Well, first legendary, Evacuate. I don't know how I feel about that card. I mean, it's can be good. You're also bringing back your stuff. It's not just your opponents. But I don't know. I don't know how I feel about it yet. I gotta see it work in some decks. I don't know if you hear that. Some people must have kept some of their fireworks for the 4th of July. This card with Kylo today, turn 2. I would discard a card, give my 2/2 unit +2, and then play this after. So my 2/2 unit became essentially a 8/6. Swung in for 8. I still lost those 2 games. I did it both games in a row, but I lost both of the games because my opponent was pretty good. I love this thing too. Jabba's Rancor. Hey, it's what's his name? The little guy. Little baby dude. Nice looking card. Hyperspace foil back there. Still want a legendary one. Nope. Just a common. Just a common. Getting a little scared here. Kind of short on legendaries. Let's see, the first set, I remember I had at least one box. I can't remember first two, but I think there was at least one box where all I got was 2 legendaries. No bonus legendaries, nothing, just 2 legendaries, and that was it. And even the rares I don't think were that good. So it was the worst box I've ever gotten. Kylo Ren. I'm halfway through the box. So another Kylo Ren. Ooh, I already pulled this. Would have been nice in hyperspace foil. Nice. So that's a bonus one. So I already have one, exact same one. But hey, I'll take another one. I mean, I don't usually play decks that are going to get to 11 resources, but hey, some matchups always get to that. Still seems kind of getting scary. I want to say there's 6 packs left, which is going to be scary that I haven't pulled many legendaries. Yeah, that's pretty nuts. Is this gonna be a 1 legendary and 1 bonus legendary box? That'd be nuts. I hope that's not the case. It might be. So 4 packs, I believe. Yeah, it might be that. That's gonna be crazy. double rare pack though. 2 packs left, and I doubt they both have legendary, so this is definitely the weakest box. Although I guess I got a Darth Maul, or Maul, so he's not. Hyperspace, please be a hyperspace foil freaking legendary, because man, this is tough if it's not. But it happens, you know. Nope. Wow. This is crazy. This is nuts. This is absolutely nuts. Absolutely nuts. I bet that's all the legendaries. Wow, this is the weakest box I've ever seen. Oh no, okay. Okay. Still, to only get 2 and a bonus one, I guess if you're only gonna get 3, one might as well be a bonus and be hyperspace. But holy cow, this is probably gonna be the weakest. I hope this is not setting the tone for the case. I really hope it's not. But second Kylo I've gone, so I have need one more. I believe I have a playset of this now. 2 of them are hyperspace. 1 is regular. Evacuate. Now I'm on my 3rd evacuate. It seems like that's very common. All right, well, I'm going to keep these to the side because what I'm going to do is, even though I'm doing every video separately, I'm probably going to open all the boxes right now. And what I'm going to do is, for the last box of the case, I'm going to actually show the case hits. So I'm going to go back and show all the legendaries for the case. So watch all the videos if you like, and you can see everything, or you'll figure it out if you watch them anyways. You don't need a recap, but since I post them once a week, my videos, it might be a while before you actually see the last box after you see the first box. So, but yeah, come back. If you liked the video, thumbs up. If you didn't, thumbs down, and all that good stuff, all that YouTube stuff that helps. Otherwise, have yourself a wonderful rest of your day, and get out there and play some Star Wars. It's a lot of fun. If not, play some Sorcery. That's even better. I enjoy both games, and I don't know, Sorcery's still a little higher above, but since I don't get to play that at the stores, I only get to play it with one of my buddies. I enjoy Star Wars just slightly more, only due to the fact that I can play with other people at stores and do constructed and, you know, get different competitions and different, you know, all that stuff. But yeah, I'm blabbering now. Have a good one. Thank you so much, and I appreciate you. Bye-bye.